Hello and welcome on how to solve this error invalid Android NDK directory. Enable Unity say unable to detect NDK in the select directory. Unity requires NDK R23B 64-bit and the series version. So how to solve this? First, you gotta copy this number NDK R23 and the version. These two numbers are the most important one. But focus on this. With this is sufficient. NDK 20 NDK and the version. Well, so what you gonna do in this is, if you download with Unity, well, you're cooked basically. Don't do that. Never download the Android NDK that comes with Unity. You're going to have a lot of problems. Sometimes it works, so we forget that we have to download the NDK from Android Studio directly. So what you're gonna do is copy this number, well, not this, but the entire thing, and press Ctrl C. Once you copy that, you're going to touch cancel and go to Android Studio. Wow. Android Studio, and you go more actions, click that. If you don't have Android Studio, you're gonna ask why using Android Studio. Well, Android Studio will download the NDK and you're going to have more options. So why? The download will be way faster than we're going to have if we go to the website. Well, once you got here, you got, well, what I show you, more NDK manager. You're going to select, click here to SDK tools. You got there, we're going to wait, and you're going to have this. You don't click here, you don't click there, you're just going to close this session. And once you got to the NDK site, you're going to say make sure you have this selected. If you don't have this selected, you're never going to see the other options, the other versions. You're only going to see the ultimate available. So you're going to make sure you have these two options, because if you have this, you probably will install somewhere that is not what we need, or worse, something obsolete that will corrupt or software. So we're going to do two things. Since most of them are this, where is he? There we go, this version. So compared to this 23 1 777 96 20, that's the missing under NDK or provide a path to local install requires 23.1 777 26 20. version. So once you make sure you click this check mark, you're going to press OK, and it will put your text. Hey, this will occupy certain space of your text. You're going to click accept. Why to use Android Studio for that? Well, Android Studio will handle anything that you need to do with that. It will download the file directly from the Google servers. In case you don't know, this is provided by Google, so yeah, Google. So it will be way faster instead of the method of going to type under NDK and go search for the version. Also, it handles the unzipping and installer, and you're going to have to provide a location for that. So, but there is some exceptions. If you don't have Android Studio installed, I recommend don't install it, because you will be take more time than download directly. So in case you don't have Android Studio, you're just going to search Android NDK like that, and